Howdy guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the cut mode settings under the cut settings. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We've got a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily, so just to keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the cut settings. So we've got a number of videos we are covering. I will put links in the descriptions to all the relevant videos if you want to follow along. And just apologies, in the previous one I said we'll be working on the cutting and drawing section, which will be this, but we'll actually be doing that only in the next video. We'll be today covering just the cutting settings and some basics features that it has. So yeah, to get right into it, and just a disclaimer here, I won't be working today on the cut mode as this is quite a complex topic and we'll cover that in another video. Then so back to the rest of the settings here. So basically you can, from your cut mode, choose origin, point and so forth. Then the end action, this will be basically what happens once it's done cutting. So as you can see here, we've got rewind to origin, then we've got advance amount or do nothing. So then the rewind to origin, which is the default, so the default setting is the which the head returns to the origin that it was set before the cut began. So that will be rewind to origin. And then the advanced amount, select that, we'll get an option here. And then when this option is selected, the head moves to the end of the cut over to the right side. And then advances on the mat or rolls material forward based on the value you entered in the new window here. So then yeah, so that's the basic on that. So if you wanted it to add advance or something like that based on your amount you put in, and then do nothing, obviously the head will just stop at the location where it finished cutting. So then I'll leave that on the default for now. Then on the right here we have a few settings we can set. We've got cut selection only, so if we select that, then on our preview mat here on the right, I don't know if we can scale this window, doesn't do much difference. So you'll see now only objects or layers selected will it cut. So if you want to cut stuff individually, it's a good quick way to do it. Then also we have here mirror horizontally and vertically. So let's say you're going to stick something on the inside of the mirror, then of a window, then you can always play with these settings. Then also another thing is you could also like let's say you made a design and it's got an exact duplicate that has to go on the other side. So instead of now making a design and mirroring it in your program and so forth, you can just mirror it here. And then, so let's say this is not text but a shape, and you can also just mirror it, do another cut, and then throw it on the opposite side. So yeah, that is the basics of the cut settings, or somewhat basics. And like I said, we will be covering the cut mode in more depth in a future video. Otherwise yeah, remember to stick around for the next video. I'll leave that and we'll be covering this section finally. Then otherwise, if you guys go to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just head to your downloads page. Then under softwaretraining.co.za we have videos like this available, and like I mentioned, we've got a variety of softwares we do cover. Then also you can isolate your search on top here if you're looking for something specific. And then if you also don't find what you're looking for, just go to request a training video and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and I hope I see you on the next one. Cheers.